Welcome, today in front of me OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here you can see the silent mode switcher. To turn it on, you should click here once on the switcher, and to turn it off, click on the switcher once again. We can also turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode, and to set your schedule time to start and the end time to turn it on and to turn it off. Also here we can see the bottom panels, the media, ringtone, notifications and others. We can change them just by slide to the left or to the right side. There's dots. We can also change the ringtone and notification sounds here. We can turn on or turn off vibration on ring on silent mode, and here we have the haptic sensors. We can turn on or turn off the vibration on touch. We can activate or turn off the dial buttons, screen lock and lock sounds, screenshot sounds, deletion sounds, touch sounds, and fingerprint animation sound. So to turn on or turn off all of these options, we should click here on the switchers. And also we have here the real sound technology. We can switch it from smart to movie, game and music here. Also we have the advanced settings, and here we can switch the volume button control function from ringtone to the media. So now we have selected the ringtone volume. We can switch here the with the volume buttons on the with the up and down volume button, the just ringtone volume, but if you'll switch it to the media, you'll switch the medias here. We can also switch the default recorder settings from auto select to the add-on, and just we can use the in-ear monitoring, so we can turn on or turn off this feature also by click on the switcher here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.